Welcome to the Scientific Publication channel. Here we explain academic topics in a simple way, with real examples. If you're doing research or just starting, this video will help you to stay on track in the AI world. Today I will tell you what skills a researcher needs in 2025 to keep up with progress. Like this video, subscribe, and we will begin. Don't worry, AI won't steal your job, but someone who knows how to use it properly might. Today it's not enough to just write well or know your subject. You need to be flexible, digital, and a bit technical. What skills still matter? Classic skills are still essential. If you can't think critically, AI won't save you. If you don't understand data, charts are just pictures. If your texts are hard to read, you still need to improve academic writing. Technology helps, but without basics, it's just a decoration. New AI era skills. Talking to AI. Not just asking something in ChatGPT, but asking it in the right way. This is called prompt engineering, and it's like a new search language. Using smart tools. Tools like Elicit, Consensus, and ResearchRabbit save time and help you write and search for sources. I show more about them in a video linked on the screen. Critical Thinking 2.0. AI can write anything, but not everything is true. You must check, verify, and sometimes even say, "No, this is nonsense." Don't fight AI, make it your assistant. It's a great intern if you know how to lead. Then your digital presence. It's your new academic CV. If nothing shows up when people Google your name, it's like you don't even exist. Also, ORCID, Google Scholar, and ResearchGate are basic tools. LinkedIn, TikTok, and Instagram are platforms to talk about your research. In 2025, a researcher without digital presence is like a startup without website. Science communication is not a bonus, it's a must-have. AI is not an author. ChatGPT doesn't think or take responsibility. Don't list it as a co-author. It's not allowed yet. If you used AI for translation or editing, say so in message section. Don't let AI do the science. Don't ask AI to invent conclusions. If you didn't analyze the data, don't fake it. But responsibility is yours. Check all sources. Sometimes AI gives fake references. But you are the author, and you are responsible for that. Follow journal rules. Many journals now ask you to say how you used AI. Ethics isn't a rule, it's your protection. In the future, trust and reputation will matter the most, and AI can generate it. So, what to improve? Think for yourself. Learn to work with AI. Build your digital presence, improving your communication skills. And stay honest. Always. This is not the future, it's already happening. And write in the comment section how often do you use AI tools. Give us a like, subscribe, and see you in the next videos.